So today I'm going to be working with these. So later in the video, you're going to see what's inside of this. So hit the bell and see you in the video. So today I'm going to be taking apart a hard drive. So as you can see, these are the tools I'm using. Hard drive, Y-polar, just in case you need something. Flathead screwdrivers, and then a Phillips to, dig under stuff. But nothing that you need to use is with the Phillips or anything. So mainly you're going to be using these two. Just these two and this. Or this too. So you basically don't need this, so you can just put this off to the side. So now we're going to be taking these apart. So this is called a star drive. And this hard drive is from a computer. My desktop computer. So this is, okay, so today, this is a hard drive. So as you can see, there's supposed to be like, I think there's, I don't know, something. I always think there's something under the label or something. So we're just going to take these screws out and try to take the top off. So we can get the top. As you can see, there's that, but we're going to get on that later in the video. So we're just getting this top off first because we need to get the stuff off to get to the motor. So when we get to the motor, then that would be good. Mostly in hard drives, it's a DC motor, DC stuck motor, or something like that. So as you can see, I'm taking off this, trying to take off this. It's hard as hell. I don't know if I can use this to pull them off though, but I'm just gonna cut it, yeah. I'm just gonna use that, yeah. So long. I don't know why this is taking so long. Should just be rip and go. Okay, there we go. There's another star drive screw. Let me get these off real quick. Okay, so I'm back. And these things are hard to get off, so I'm just gonna try my best to just, it seems like just a wrapper. And just a wrapper, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna get them off, I don't really care. It's just gonna come off anyways. There you go. There you go. hard drive. This is where all the games are installed. So first, let's get these screws out. Make sure you don't get any fingerprints on there. Sorry. It's okay if you do though, because you're opening up I'm opening up a hard drive, so it doesn't really matter. Get all of them loose first. As you can tell, it's shaking. Just in case you guys say my tools are shaking, it's because I have different bits in here just to keep them safe. Like, oh, your tool's broken in the comments, but it's not. So it's just that screw making them. It's just those other things making the noise. So. So we have to get these screws off. We have to get these two off, it looks like. Okay. It's all nice and clear. Look at this. This is cool. Okay. Fan towards me. That's gonna be. Okay. So as you can tell, there's more. I didn't see that. Okay. So as you can see, this is a hard drive. So there is a DC step motor in here, which is right here. It should be like in here. And it looks like there's a magnet in there. Oh yeah, because look at it. Just pulling force. Okay. So as you can see, I'll get my screwdriver and get this thing off from the back because there's an open wire, of course. Whoa. Whoa. Let me use this one because this one's. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? Dude, it's not coming off, I'm telling you. Oh, it's because it's magnetic. Oh, shoot, dude. What? Take away my freaking dude. Wait, let me see this. Wait. Ow, this hurts. Let's take this off of it. Oh, it's taking away my bit. Give me my tool. No, dude, give me back my tool. I'm not serious. Okay. So as you know, this is a magnet. Okay. Okay. So here's the motor. Oh, okay. There's a little opening right here, if you can see. Put it. Dude, this is hard. Oh no, there's screws. I didn't see that. Sorry. Okay. Last screw. This looks like you need to apply it. not doing anything. Oh, there it is. So just get it off of here. Doesn't really matter. Okay. So as you can see, this DC stepper motor. This is connected right here. It's supposed to go doo-doo-doo. So now, we got that off. Should be able to get this thing off, but I don't know. So, oh, just comes right off. That's full. Okay. Now there's screws. Okay, get that off too. And now there's these things here. And more star drive screws. So, dude, what is this thing? Okay. Okay. So as I'm getting these open, it looks like there's another wrapper under, because right here. And I think there's some more hidden screws. And we could check that by doing this. I'll show you in a little bit. So after I get these screws out, I'll show you. I need 2 more screws. Just this one and 2 more. 2 more screws to go. Okay, so first you have to take these out. Take these in the bowl. Okay. Nice. I need some more, bro. Okay. So as you can see, there's little tiny screws, holes right here. As you can see, there's little tiny screw holes right here. And it looks like these screw holes already came out. Just in case, you can just like, you know, play around with them if you want. But there's no screws. So that's what's inside of a hard drive. So if you guys didn't know what's inside of a hard drive, you should click this video. So thank you guys for watching, and please hit the subscribe button, like this video, click the bell, put it on notifications so you can see when I upload or not. So stay independent.